Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix live voicemail not showing on iPhone. Okay, first things first, check if live voicemail is enabled. To do that, go to the settings on your device. Scroll down to find the iPhone section and open it. The live voicemail option should be located somewhere around here. Make sure that it is turned on or enabled. But if you can't find the live voicemail option in the phone settings, go back to the main settings page. Find then the general section and open it. And you want to activate the live voicemail. Take note that live voicemail is currently available in two regions only, the United States and Canada. If you live in one of these regions, make sure that your region is set to the US or Canada. However, if you are not in the US or Canada but want to use the live voicemail feature, you can switch your region to either the US or Canada. But keep in mind that this change may affect some other Apple features such as Apple Pay and etc. Also, if you encounter issues with other Apple features due to the region change, you can always switch back to your original region if you please. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix live voicemail not showing on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.